everyone. Today we have a nice integral problem in front of us. As you can see, there are two regions drawn on a coordinate plane, and it says the following. The area of the blue region is A1, and the area of the yellow region is A2. The product A1 times A2 is equal to 96. The question is, what is the value of A? Now, let's find the area of region A1. Since A1 lies between these two curves, we'll write an integral and subtract the lower function from the upper one. A1 equals the integral from 0 to 9 of ax to the 1/2 minus x to the 1/2. I converted the square roots to exponents to make integration easier. So how do we integrate this? It becomes 2ax to the 3/2 divided by 3 minus 2x to the 3/2 divided by 3. That is, we increased the exponent by 1 and divided by it. If you plug in the lower bound, which is 0, you get 0. Plugging in 9 gives A1 equals 18a minus 18. All right, now let's move on to A2. We first need to find the boundaries of A2. This point here is x equals 4, right? If you plug 4 into square root of x, you get 2. So the A2 area lies between y equals square root of x and y equals 2. Then we'll write the integral like this. A2 equals the integral from 4 to 9 of x to the 1/2 minus 2. Let's integrate that. 2x to the 3/2 divided by 3 minus 2x. When you plug in the upper limit 9, you get 18 minus 18, which is 0. When you plug in the lower limit 4, you get 16 over 3 minus 8. So A2 comes out to 8 over 3. All right, now we know that A1 times A2 equals 96. That gives us a single variable equation. Humanity has known how to solve this for 4,000 years. Solving it, we find A equals 3. The correct answer is choice B, and that's it for this one. Hope everything was clear. See you in the next problem.